Hey, I'm in Joe's kitchen, Joe and Debbie. Joe the Pepper Man, we call him, if you're a follower of this channel, and you should be. We have many videos of Joe growing peppers from last winter when you started seeding them and grew them under hot lights, to planting them in your gardens, to harvesting. And just as a reminder for everyone, Joe doesn't eat peppers, but he grows them to create amazing pepper flakes. And today's a big day because you've been drying the peppers, and today he's going to grind them and show us how he does it. I'm really excited about this. This is like the culmination of
the whole year.
Now, when I first met you, you told me that you used your mother's grinder.
Old meat grinder.
Look at that. That's heavy. They don't make them like that anymore.
It goes like this, and it just hooks onto the table. And I would spend, at least 2 to 3 hours.
We just put it in there.
Put it in there and grind it into a bowl, and then everything. And then I decided it's time for a little bit of new technology.
So this is a high-speed grain mill.
I had to have something. The dust will clear your sinuses very well.
Oh, wow.
Has blades, it has extra blades, has everything, but it turns it into just a nice fine powder. Always unplug it.
So let's back up a little bit. Can I have one of these?
Sure.
So there is a video where Joe shows us how he dries the peppers. So this is a huge bin of your dried peppers. Can I open this? It's going to clear my sinuses probably. But look at that.
There's 6 or 7 different types of peppers.
So how many peppers would you estimate are in here? Oh, that smells so yummy.
I'd say quite a few. Let's just say quite a few. I can't. There could be 700, 800, 900 peppers.
Wow. So you got them all dehydrated. They're all dried out, and now it's time for the grinding of the peppers down into the powder. So why don't we get me out of this, and we'll watch you make the magic, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm going to do that.
And these are very dry. These were in the dehydrator for at least 10 hours after I air dried them for 3 or 4 days.
You can hear how dry they are.
And this is the top of it. And basically what it does is then you take this, make sure that's tight so it doesn't really go too far.
Oh, I see.
Make sure it grinds. You want the lid on.
I would.
Yeah, otherwise we'll be coughing up a lung here. It's pretty tight. And then we'll do this one. Basically what it is, once it's plugged in, you set this and 15 seconds, maybe 10 seconds. It does make a screechy noise.
I'm excited. That's it? Let's see what we got. How much faster is that compared to using your mother's old meat grinder?
I'll be able to do this in a half hour.
Wow.
And I would have been 2 to 3 hours, 4 hours grinding it all up.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, it hasn't.
Oh, I think we need a little more time.
Wow. I'm shocked. Okay.
That's okay. We're learning. Are you okay?
Oh, yeah. That was a good one. Yeah, this is the fun part.
Oh, I just got a whiff. Yeah. I imagine it just takes trial and error to figure it.
Oh, yeah. Excuse me.
You okay?
Oh, yeah, that's good stuff.
All right. We'll take a pause. All right, take 2.
Here goes nothing.
Okay, here we go.
This is actually a timer.
Oh, right there?
Yep, it can go up to 5 minutes.
But you're only supposed to run it a minute at a time.
Right, so we set it to a minute,
Yeah.
and it's minutes right there, and just let it run.
Oh, oh. Ooh.
Wow. Yeah, Debbie usually leaves for this part.
No, do you ever do this outdoors? Is
Nope, I've
no?
always
You do
done
it
it
inside?
right here.
I mean, it's a good smell. It is potent. All right.
Oh, wow. Because this is the first time I've done it this way.
Oh.
So I think what we're going to wind up doing is running it through twice,
Yeah.
a minute each time.
And maybe outside.
Yes. I may take it outdoors.
Plan B, Joe.
Yeah.
Lesson learned. Probably best to do this outdoors. So Joe has set up a little station here. This is, what is this, a cat climber
Yeah,
thing?
that's just an old little cat tree.
A cat tree. It's what we do when we garden. We improvise. And he's brought the grinder outdoors. It's already a lot better. You really need good ventilation for this, I think.
Yeah, don't get too close.
Oh, okay. Stand back. Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Much better doing it outside. So what have we learned here today, Joe?
That we're always going to do the grinding outside.
Yeah.
Unless I use my mother's meat grinder, and then I can do it inside. But this is much quicker. And now that I know that I have to do it outside, it'll be relatively easy.
Outside, Joe.
Yes, outside. Oh, wow. That was interesting.
I'm glad we got to share the experience with you.
Well, cool. Because
Yeah.
oh, I have one more thing to show you, though.
Okay.
It's inside.
Okay.
In here, we've started next year's.
Oh, wow.
I have 19 hydroponic jalapenos.
Oh my goodness, they're really growing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, Joe.
Yeah.
Fuck.
So I can grow these. These plants last for 9 to 10 months, and they'll keep producing. And I'll start my pepper saving for next year.
Awesome. All right, Joe. You're awesome. Any final words from Joe the Pepper Man?
Don't breathe deep. No. It's bad.
Oh.